Hello guys, I want to show you my professional dashboard. So I want to show you what I've got here. So here is my professional profile overview. So you can see there's a view here, views 40,854 and the rates it's 10,000 and content interaction, and then there is followers here. So in here you have a recent content, so you can click this and everything is here. All your videos see here in your content. There's views here, rates and interaction. So if you want to look this is my last 90 days on sorry, it's not the last 90 days. I think you can yeah, this is my 90 days doing my video. So this is a sort by date, so you can click date. So here you can see Friday, so I didn't post a Thursday, so I'm here in Friday, Wednesday, so you look at this here. And also you can go here in views, so you see how many people see your video. I got here 2,000 this video. Look at the graphic, the average of your yeah, it's my husband and my me. So I have here, so you can see here also views 1,000. So yeah, and then yeah, you can see everything here and reach. So how many people reach your here? You can see also this here, so you can do it if you want. And the interaction here also, the interaction, you see how many people, so how much the you got this here 1,000 views. And so yes, and go back to the overview. So that's it guys, and this is my small tips for you how to look your professional dashboard.